If you're dealing with echo noise during calls on your iPhone, it can be quite frustrating. Luckily, there are a few simple ways to troubleshoot and fix this issue. In this guide, I'll show you how to get rid of the echo noise and enjoy clear calls again. Solution 1. Enable voice isolation. Try to call anyone on iPhone. Open dialer, tap 123 for example. After calling, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap the microphone and location icon which is named in Call Service and System Service. Select Voice Isolation. After that, try to restart your iPhone and check your issues. Solution 2. Turn on noise cancellation. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Audio, Visual. Toggle on Phone Noise Cancellation. Check if the echo noise is gone during calls. Solution 3. Check for iOS update. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the echo noise is gone during calls. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to default but won't delete your data. Check if the echo noise is gone during calls. These steps can help you improve your call quality and eliminate any annoying sound issues. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching.